Hello everyone, Miss Storer here. Today we're going to do an art activity which involves quite a bit of sorting. It also goes with the song I Can Sing a Rainbow. So we all know that it goes red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing along with you. So you might want to sing that while you're doing this. And now I'm going to show you what I've collected ready for this activity. Here on my table are a number of small things. A few things are the lids to bottles, the pot to my pins, and here I've got a lot of buttons. You may have buttons at home, or it may be that there are lots of small things like Lego, different things like that that you could use. Sort your objects into colours. Find something circular. It could be a plate or the lid off of something, a bowl. This is just a plastic container that I'm going to use. Position the circular object in the centre of your colour. Here you can see I've sorted the buttons and the little small objects that I've got into the colours. And then if I just tidily manoeuvre them, put them into the positions that I would like them to be in, touching quite close up to the circular object in the centre, this means that it'll make a nice crisp circle when I remove the circular object. So here I am, tidying up how I would like my colour wheel to look. Remember, Lego, bottles of pop, the lids, anything that's tiny. You can see I've got scissors, needle and thread. I've just looked around the house for things that I'm allowed to use and for things that will go in my colour wheel. So here we are. That's my colour wheel, and when I take out the circle in the centre, I've got my colour wheel. You could even sort this further into the different shades of each colour if you wanted to. So give it a try and share your pictures with me to show me what you've done. Enjoy!